stuff here. Well, not more stuff, but we got something new. So, I got a couple of stuff here. We're going to microwave. So, I'm going to get this microwave out from the back of here. We got this from a dumpster. It was really nasty. And it rained out here, so we'll see if this still works. So, I'll be back. Alright guys, we're here. I'm going to plug this sucker up, see what happens. It works. If you're wondering why this microwave has been trashed, up there, yeah, pretty bad. So, let's go over here and get our items. Put up there over here. What should we do first, guys? Where'd my Allen wrench go? We'll find that later. But let's try out a car charger, shall we? Here we go. Guys, I know one thing, but that's pretty much dead. Alright guys, so I am going to remove this battery out from this phone. There we go. Here we go, guys. Yeah, she's toasty. Oh yeah. That's what I call a toasty phone, guys. That's what start. Oh, that looks weird. I wonder if it still works. Probably not, guys. Alright, what should we else try? I'll be back. How about a rusty chain? Here we go, guys. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Oh, that is cool. That's plasma. Oh, the paint's burning. Problem fixed, huh? Chain actually does look pretty okay. A little bit of shorts here and there. Not much going on. I'll be back. Look at this, guys. A battery just in the ground. All smashed up, but let's see what happens, shall we? Sorry if I can. Oh, yeah. Not much going on. Yeah, not much going on there. Look at him. Alright, let's put the battery in here just for the crap of it. I'm running away from this one. Oh yeah, she's arcing. There's plasma. That is a really quiet microwave. Whoa. Oh, it smells terrible. Be honest, the phone battery looks okay. So we're gonna do it again. Holy crap. And that's why they painted the insides, because there's exposed metal right now. And it's just melting everything. And that's what you're seeing right there. This metal. Guess that's why you can't put metal in the microwave, huh? It is so fried up in there, guys. It's so crazy. The battery is actually surviving. I don't know how in the heck that happens, but this microwave just phone a little bit more. PF. What does that mean? Just flip it over. That smells terrible, guys. I don't have no cancer or something like that, guys. This is actually probably one of my longest videos I've ever had on my channel. There's molten plastic just popped everywhere, guys. That's crazy. Oh, gosh.